works can quote a project the moment it's created. No one waiting on the project manager to price it out first. That's quote automation, and it needs the quantum plan or higher. Turn it on for your whole account under settings, account settings, then usage. On this account, it's already switched on. You can also set this per organizational unit, and it's worth doing because every project created inside that unit inherits it automatically. Open organizations, then organizational units, pick your unit and click more settings. Flip quote automation on and click save. Let's watch it work. From your home screen, click start a new project. Then choose direct project. Set the project up like always, organizational unit, a project name, your source language. Upload your file, pick a workflow and click create. Works prices it immediately and drops it straight into pending. No one has to come back later to approve it. A few things it can't quote on its own: SDLXLIFF, IDML, and Markdown files, and workflows like QA, subtitling, or interpretation. Land on one of those, and the project shows automation failed instead. So your project manager opens costs and creates the quote by hand.